Hey guys, Tom Cook here with Ducky's Boats, bringing you an epic SeaArk 2472 MV jet tunnel, custom by Ducky's Boats. This is one of very few like it, a hot new model we have returning for 2024. For the best deal on your new SeaArk boat, give me a call, 717-944-4232, www.duckysboats.com. Let's take a look at this, get her out on the water, and see how she does. So here she is, the 2472 MV jet tunnel. And guys, this is one of my absolute personal favorites out of all the boats SeaArk produces. It's very well mannered, has a massive carrying capacity, 25-inch transom with the jet tunnel. This one's equipped with the float pods, stainless steel swim ladder. Hot new for 2024, black raised SeaArk logos, the mossy oak breakup camouflage. Special Yamaha 175 super high output with a jet pump conversion. Got the nice heavy duty cap rail, welded on massive cleats, accessory track in the cap rail, the optional rear hatch, heavy duty transom knee braces. On this particular one here, we did order 2 doubler plates with seat bases for extra pedestal seats. Have a seat box behind the console with an aerated live well. Bow mount console, along with your gauge package, switch panel, steering, genuine Yamaha controls. You have USB and 12-volt charger, SeaArk courtesy light, along with a windshield and black grab rail. Very nice fit and finish. Have the Line X interior, which is excellent for hot summer days. It does help hold down the heat. Also non-skid. You have your anchor locker in the bow of the boat, along with bow storage box. Your fuel tank is located in the box closest to the console. Heavy duty 6-gauge trolling motor wiring run to the back of the boat with a 50 amp circuit breaker. You also have a trim switch and your socket for your bow light. If you didn't believe me, check out that rating. 16 persons or 2,250 pounds. That does not include the motor. 2,800 pounds, person's motor and gear. So this boat does have the space and the capability for anything you may need. Alright guys, first thing you will notice is that Yamaha 175 high output just purrs like a kitten. Nice and smooth, easy to start, fuel efficient. Vantage point up over the bow is very nice. Lets you see anything you're coming up on. Especially it's a little bit choppy today. I appreciate having these deep 28-inch sides. Alright, now we're going to give her the whole shot test. It's on plane, nice and quick. right, so sorry for ending the water test so quickly, but it did start storming on us. We had to get off the water. This boat did have a wicked hole shot, ended up running right about 35 mile an hour with a short burst of throttle. Didn't really get to go hold it wide open too long. But excellent mannered, plenty of carrying capability. And for the best deal on your new SeaArk boat, give us a call, 717-944-4232, www.duckiesboats.com. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we hope to see you again. Have a great day.